this case harvester.
Red Lenco self-propelled harvester being worked on right now. We would.
It's right after harvest time.
Well, it's kind of after harvest. We'll try to show you the inside of the cab. Yeah, it'll be a little bit dark. Down there is where the rollers go that the harvester digs up there, and it goes up through here into those, and then
The fingers.
goes into the fingers, and then it comes under the cab down here, and then it comes through here, out to here, down there, through the airhead, down there, and down here. This airhead sucks rocks out from the potatoes, and then the rocks come out right there.
This is very loud when it's working.
Yes, it's very loud. It comes off there, through there, and into the rock box over there. Then the potatoes go up through this conveyor and onto this conveyor belt and out from the boom. And
then it goes into the truck.
And then it goes into the truck. And the boom is being worked on also. That is why there is no rollers or conveyor belt on it right now. And now
this is the best part.
we will show you the cab of the harvester.
This is a John Deere cab for a combine.
Yes. And then that's the steering wheel. I can't see it very well, but there's a bunch of switches there. See, there's a bunch of switches over there. Gauges, joystick, radio, headset. So if you
That's basically just like an Xbox, but
kind of, but
not.
if you're talking, you don't have to hit the radio and press the button.
Show the button.
Press the button. And
That's about it.
that's our
What we can give you down here.
That's our red Lenco harvester. Hope you liked the video.